Welcome the our channel. Today we how to set up Arlo Ultra 2 cameras, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing the Arlo Ultra 2 camera kit. Carefully remove the camera, charging cable, base station, and mounting hardware. Connect the base station to a power source using the included adapter. Plug in an Ethernet cable from your router to the base station. Wait for the power and internet indicator lights on the base station to turn solid green. Download the Arlo app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an Arlo account if you don't have one. Log in to your Arlo account. Follow the on-screen prompts to add a new device. Select Arlo Ultra 2 from the list of available cameras. When prompted, press the sync button on the base station. Next, press the sync button on the camera until the LED on the front blinks blue. Once the camera syncs successfully, the LED will turn solid blue. Position the camera where you want to install it. Use the mounting bracket and screws to securely attach the camera to the wall or surface. Check the camera's field of view via the app to ensure optimal coverage. If needed, adjust the camera angle for better visibility. After installation, charge the camera battery fully for optimal performance. Record a short test video to confirm everything is working correctly. Customize your camera settings in the app for motion detection and notifications. Now, everything is set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.